This bore cam is both wireless and supports 720p resolution. Are you curious to know more? So am I. Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. If you've been watching the channel for long, you've seen me use the Lyman Borecam when I'm cleaning and inspecting barrels or doing things like chambering jobs. Now I've got the successor, which is called the Lyman Borecam Pro. I have not looked in this box. Let's get this out, and then we're going to take a look at the features and try it out a little bit. Okay, so of course we have the instruction booklet. We've got different country adapters. Now I noticed on the outside of the box, they actually indicated which countries, which I think is kind of nice. South Africa, United Kingdom, Australia, Europe. Okay, so we've got the US one pre-installed. We've got the cord, the actual unit itself. Looks like some lens cleaning accessories for that tiny little mirror. Okay, that's the contents. Let's talk about the high-level features. So I'm reading right off the box right here. So it is wireless. It uses Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth, so it's got a lot more bandwidth and resiliency built in. It's up to 720p resolution, which is cool. 20 caliber and larger. So if you've got a 223 or you've got a 308 or anything in between, that's going to be good to go, or larger pistol calibers like 45 caliber. 24-inch rod, and that's going to be great. It means a little bit less having to go in one end and then in the other to get to see internals of a longer barrel. And there's both iOS and Android apps. Now I did my homework. I pre-installed the Lyman Borecam app from the App Store on my iPhone. So we'll get to that in just a moment. The first thing I'm going to do is going to be to plug it in and charge the unit. Then we'll come back for a demo. So let's talk about some of the features and interface details for this particular device. We've got the 24-inch rod. There's a little slit here where the illuminated mirror is located. We've got a barrel crown tool or a centering tool here that can slide up and down the rod. We've got the power switch. You roll it on to turn the unit on and then flip it the other way to turn it off. And then there's the multi-purpose button. This button will glow green when the unit is turned on, then it will flash blue when it's attempting to connect to your device. When you're using it in camera mode, you can do a short press to get a picture saved to your camera roll, and a longer press will initiate video recording. Another longer press will stop video recording. On the back of the unit, we've got a little light that's indicating that it's charging right now. We've got a mini USB port for charging, and then we've got just the product details there. It's got a rubber gripped handle. Overall, it's really compact, and I'll have to say the setup experience was really slick. It's nice when technology works. All you have to do is go to Wi-Fi on your device, connect to the Lyman network. The password is 1234567 and when you enter that password and hit join, it will connect to that network. If you've already downloaded the Lyman Borecam application, you can just kick it off right there and it will connect. If you need to download it, do it then start it up when you're done downloading. And my camera was right up and running instantly when I fired up the app. And that's the way I like it when technology works. Sometimes connection can be a bit of a pain. This time it was very straightforward. So next we're going to do a demo where we're going to look through multiple barrels and a reloading die. So let's see this Borecam in action. I've got my phone up here. This is just an iPhone. Launch the Lyman app and we can see here the interior of the shop, which is kind of funny. I'm going to unplug power here. I am still charging. It's only had about a half an hour on the charger. But you can see here it's really nice to have that kind of mobility. Now as a demo, if we push the button here, you'll see that page peel effect is showing that we've saved a picture to the camera roll, which is kind of cool. Let's take a look inside the brand new bore. This is a preferred blank. You can see it's not even been cleaned yet. I'm going to go ahead and do a long hold. That's going to initiate video recording. Okay. So as you can see, we can very easily go down the bore, but then we can also very precisely spin the entire unit to see the various lands and grooves. Nice and shiny in this barrel. It hasn't seen a single shot yet. Okay, how about this barrel here? This is a 22-250 takeoff barrel. This barrel was roasted. This barrel was toasted. That's from a Winchester Model 70. Okay, so here we are in the chamber. You can see the level of detail is actually really good. Okay, so there's in kind of the throat area where we've got the heat cracking, pretty burnt. Let's look all the way around here. Yeah, this is going to be a really, really great tool for gunsmithing and confirming cleaning. So you can see some copper fouling there, and then again, more heat cracking. More heat cracking. More fouling and heat cracking. Yeah, this barrel has seen a lot of, I don't know, prairie dog shoots or something, because this thing is pretty well worn out. See how far we can get there. Pretty much to the muzzle end, it looks like. Now for something fun, we're gonna take, this is an RCBS 308 sizer day. I'm gonna remove the decapper there. And we'll take a look at the walls inside here. We see some crud there. It's because I haven't cleaned it since using it. I thought it'd be interesting to look at the inside of a die. So we've got some lateral marks there. We've got some vertical marks. And then there we are. We should see some threads here at some point. There we go. Yeah, the threads look really, really big. That's the very end of the die. You can see my shop lights there. So I'm really, really impressed with the level of detail that we're seeing here. And you can consider this just a quick preview of the tool. I'll be showing it, a lot more frequently on the channel as I chamber rifle barrels. If we're taking a look at a brand new firearm, we'll look down the bore to see what the condition of the bore is and the quality of the finish on the bore. We've got how effective are cleaning products, when are we seeing fouling, what about carbon rings. Lots of really interesting things to take a look at, and a Borecam is a really, really important tool if you're really serious about your shooting or if you're a gunsmith. This tool here, the quality level is quite a bit higher, and I really, really like the convenience of the wireless functionality. I can remember with the original Lyman Borecam, I actually put some weight on the screen because the cords would kind of tug it around on the benchtop, and with this unit, you don't have to worry about that. Plus, I can record video files. Imagine you're a gunsmith and you can say, hey, here's my inspection report, and by the way, I uploaded this file. This shows you what your bore looked like, and then here's the brand new chamber that I just cut for you. That would be totally awesome. So there you go, my hands-on look at the all-new Lyman Borecam Pro. If you have something to say about it, about the product, about some of the demos that I showed, whatever's on your mind, please drop a comment and we'll start a discussion. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe with notifications, because I'm going to have more gunsmithing stories, more gun stories featuring this tool, and a lot of other cool stuff as well that you're not going to want to miss. Right down there in the video description, I'm on Patreon. I've got Ultimate Reloader shirts at the Ultimate Reloader store, and that first link is going to link to an article that has the links to the product pages, more product insights, and so on and so forth. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.